Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video you'll learn to make this flange and we'll learn to use the extrude and fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch, and here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create these three circles. One circle with 60 millimeters, one with 70 millimeters, and this circle here with 96 millimeters of diameter. So go to Fusion, select create a sketch, select the top plane, and select the circle. Make a circle here with 60 millimeters, 70 millimeters, and 96 millimeters of diameter. Let me move the dimensions here. And now we will create this construction line and this one. This construction line is coincident with the circle, and this construction line has 60 millimeters of length. So select line, construction geometry, click here in the midpoint, and click here in this line. Click here in the midpoint again, and make a line here with 60 millimeters of length. And now we will create this arc, and we will create this line. This arc has 60 millimeters of radius, and the distance between this line and this construction line is 20 millimeters. So go to create, select arc, center point arc, remove the construction geometry, click here in this point, click here in this point, make an arc here, and select a line, make a line between this point and this circle here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and this construction line is 20 millimeters. And now we will create this circle. This circle has 12 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and this line here is 10 millimeters. And the circle is coincident with this arc here. So select the circle, click here in this point, make a circle here with 12 millimeters of diameter. And here go to sketch dimension, select the circle and this line. The distance here is 10 millimeters. And make sure that this circle is coincident with this one, okay? And now we will go to create and select mirror. And the object, we will select this line and this circle. And the mirror line, we will select this construction line and press OK. Let me hide the constraints a little bit. And here go to mirror again. And here we will select this sketch here and both circles to create the same in this side. And the mirror line here is this construction line, and press OK. And now go to modify and select break. Break this line, this circle here, and break here, and break here. And now we will select this arc here and this one, and the line type here we will select a construction geometry. We made this profile. And now we will create this circle with 12 millimeters of diameter. And we will create this arc here with 12 millimeters of radius. So select the circle, click here at this point, make a circle here with 12 millimeters. And go to create, select the arc, center point arc, click here in this point, click here in this circle, and click here in this circle, in this side. Make sure that this point here is coincident with this circle. The radius here is 12 millimeters. And then now go to modify, select break. break this arc here and here, and make this arc a construction geometry. And now we'll make the same in the other side. So go to create, select mirror, select this arc and this circle, and the mirror line, select this construction geometry here, and press OK. We will break the arc again, break here and in this side, and select this arc here, transform this in a construction geometry. And that's it. We made this profile. So finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 6 millimeters, the base, and here inside is 12 millimeters. Okay. So go to extrude, select this area. The extrusion here is 6 millimeters, operation new body, and press OK. And show the sketch 1 again. Go to extrude and select this area. And the extrusion here is 12 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. Hide the sketch 1. We made this one. And now to finish this, we needed to create the fillets and the corners. And all the fillets is 6 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here. The fillet here is 6 millimeters of radius. And press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.